If you want to learn and finish the Easy Arabic course in short period of time, go to www.doortoknowledge.org and register. Jazakumullah khair.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to Quran Made Easy, ayah by ayah, word by word, lesson 8. We're starting Surah Al-Baqarah, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to complete it. The first ayah is Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows the meaning of these words. And the second ayah is ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. The meaning is, this is the book, there is no doubt in it, a guide for those mindful of Allah. We have studied ذَلِكَ. ذَلِكَ means that. Al-Kitab, the book. Al-Kitab, the book. La, meaning no. La, no. Raib, doubt. Raib, doubt. Fihi, in it. Fihi, in it. Hudan, guide or guidance. Lil-Muttaqeen, for those mindful of Allah. So, Muttaqeen mean conscious or mindful of Allah, those who have fear of Allah. So, all these meaning Muttaqeen. Lil-Muttaqeen, for those mindful of Allah. Dhalika, and also we have studied Dhalika, means if it is something's close and dhalika is used, it means like emphasis. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَاب, this is, like you emphasize, this is the book. So ذَلِكَ here meaning this. We know huda meaning guide or guidance. Huda. The past tense is hada. Hada meaning he guided. Yahdi is the present and future tense. Yahdi, he guides or he will guide. He guides or he will guide. Hada yahdi. Hada yahdi. Hada many places comes in the Quran. Hada. وَأَضَلَّ فِرْعَوْنُ وَقَوْمُهُ وَمَا هَدَى. وَمَا هَدَى, he did not guide. هو أهدى منهما. هو أهدى منهما. هو, you know, أهدى meaning most guided. منهما, min from, huma, them. فما له من هاد. فما, so ma, not lahu, for him, min from, had, guide. Had meaning guide. Yahdi comes in different forms, and in the full course you will learn how these form changes, inshallah ta'ala. Wallahu la yahdi al-qawma zalimin. Wallahu, in Allah, la yahdi, do not guide, al-qawma zalimin means zalimin people, those who oppress. Afa anta tahdi al-umya. We've said when it comes, it comes for to ask questions. Afa anta, do you, tahdi, give hidayah, tahdi, yahdi, tahdi. As I said, it form changes. These you will learn in the full course, inshallah. Al-umya, the blind. فإنه سيهديني. فإنه سيهديني. So, indeed, who, him. سيهديني. Sin comes for soon. Soon he will guide me. Ni comes for my. Ni. سيهديني. And we have learned in the first lesson that sometimes the ya is missing. The zir or the kasra comes for the missing ya. سيهديني. Soon he will guide me. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين. This is the book, there is no doubt in it, a guide for those mindful of Allah. This is it for this lesson. It is your time to study now.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.